What's cooking? Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. We're gonna go back up. Think we are. Think we are. All right, we got the low in. The low of the day. All right, let's see what's happening here. I got to get this. See if we can Fibonacci our way back up to this thing here. All right. All right. Charts do not match. It's down on one side and up on the other. So I cannot take a trade yet, unless I'm looking for Fibonacci only, but it's coming off the bottom, man. It's coming off a nice little bottom here. Did it close the gap? Not quite. It did not quite close the gap. Now, either it's going up 50% to keep coming down, or we're having a reversal. Which is it? It's in 50% mode right now. That means it would be starting to turn around right now in this area right here. Everything is down. We have a red candle close.
Order filled.
I'll sell it to bid. See if it'll come down.
Stop filled.
All right. Strong little pop. Let's see what happens. That's the hardest thing, when it just completely reverses straight up when everything's pointing down and doesn't look back. That really gets everybody. That is one of the toughest trades because it's got all these setups to short and it just skyrockets straight up through everything. Excuse me.
Before the dawn, you wrote the story. Before the sea, you named the shore. From dust and bread to endless glory, you are the one we're living for. King of kings forever, Lord of lords on high. Every throne surrenders to
Oh, this is slow.
the sky. Jesus. You unshaken, your kingdom knows no end.
Order filled.
Kings forever, our Savior, God, our friend. Dancing thorns, the cross of mercy.
Let's short this off the Fibonacci 62,
The stone road wide.
off the 20 EMA on the higher time chart.
Breaking as heaven's song fills up our lives.
Come on down, buddy.
Every heart, every nation, every tongue will sing your praise. Every crown, every honor, laying down in your great name. You will reign.
That is a strong candle to the upside, though.
You will reign.
If this doesn't work, we're not going to short this anymore. Come on now, this is a good spot for you to roll down. Oh, it's going up.
Stub filled.
Okay, no more shorting. No more shorting. We're just going to have to wait to see if we can go long on this bad boy.
Trying to fix what I can't see. All my striving, all my strain just keeps circling back to me.
By the time it gives me the signal, it's going to be up there already.
Folding fear into my prayers. But you meet me in the backdrop of the weight I still wear. Spirit, make me new. Break the chains I got used to. Breathe your holy fire through the ashes of
Yeah, this is unfortunate. I wish I could get in, but I can't get in based on just this one chart. Everything's trended down. Everything's got the signal for the sell signal, but it's a strong impulse bounce.
every idol I'm holding looks so small in your light. Every secret I cling to starts to loosen
heck?
tonight. You were stirring the waters where my shame used to stay, and the old ways are fading as you lead me awake. Tear down every stubborn wall, stone by stone, pride and all. Here I lay my will down low, teach my restless soul to follow. Shape my thinking, shape my days, turn my habits into praise. For
Everything's down. Every chart is down. I can't rationally take a long at this point. Not until I get something else telling me that it's okay. Skyrocket straight up. Trend line break would be nice, yeah.
lines in careful ink.
That That would be nice.
just what I need.
That's what we're looking like here.
Like city streets till they tangled up.
Let's do a trend line break or a fade.
I chased answers, chased control. Every map I made was wrong. In the silence, in the stall, I heard you whisper, I am still above it all.
And did you get up there? Okay. Here's the trend line. Did it poke through? It's trying to break through.
Turn my questions into gifts. Every closed and heavy door hides a better path from yours. I see inches, you see miles. I see storms, I see the tide. So I lay my clever pride at the altar of a mind that holds the skies.
Well, that Fibonacci's not going to do any good whatsoever. So here we go now. At the trend line, we're hitting up into the golden zone. Is it going to punch right through it or come back down? I don't know if it's going to break the trend line or not. It's trying to break the trend line, but it's at a Fibonacci downtrend. It's at a very flip of the coin situation here. Literally flip the coin, because Fibonacci golden zone to the downside right there. It could fail at this trend line at that point. I would say congratulations if you try to do that, which I'm thinking about doing. If this candle closes red below the trend line, I will take that, but it's not closing below the trend line yet. just moving so slow. Strong move off the bottom since the open. It's just kind of intimidating. Kind of intimidating for sure. Something tells me this thing is going to just keep going up. I've already took 2 hits trying to short this thing. Do I really want to try it again?
When the voices tell me I'm too far, when the weight keeps pulling at my heart, you run out and meet me on the hillside.
I think it's going to go up.
Me when I fall.
To take my momentum trade, I need to have this chart
Jesus,
going up too. If it closes here, I will give it one more shot though. If it closes below the momentum lines, if it closes below, we got the 200, we got a moving average, we got 50% Fibonacci, we've got a downtrending trend line. We've got a couple of confluences there that say it's not a bad idea. But we have price action that's looking like a rocket going straight up. So I would take a temporary pullback into another Fibonacci zone and then try to go long on it. I think it's due for a pullback, which would give us a correction off this trend line. It does not want to close below that trend line at all. 1, 2, this is the 3rd candle. Okay, it closed below the candle. It closed below the trend line. So what's my commitment?
Order
I'll
filled.
always try it. I'll give it a shot. Let's see if it'll come down at least 1 to 1 here. At least let me break even on it. I'd like to make something though.
scattered stories, separate roads.
It's a $63 risk.
You called our names in different places, brought us.
Come on down. Just give me a 1 to 1. I'll be happy with that. Come down to the 20 EMA where you want to bounce and continue up. That's fine with me.
Smile beside me is a sign of your mercy.
Waiting. Focus. Patience. And win or lose, it's a good try. It's a pretty good try. It's not a crazy trade. I'm not asking to understand the long-term direction. I'm just looking for reactions in specific key areas. Give me the reaction, a little pullback right here. Come on down. Let me break even. Come on now. Come on down. Hit my target. Keep going. Keep going. Hit my target. All I'm asking is for 1 to 1. I'm gonna start bringing my. Come on down. Dang it. I'm reducing my risk a little bit though. Pulling my stop down as it's going down. It only went down a little bit, so. Come on down. It's still underneath the trend line. It looks like it might be getting stuck on the momentum lines and the trend line pushing it down. That would be great. I wouldn't be surprised if there's a little 50% pullback up into the down. A little coming down, 50% or so coming up, and continuing down will be really good, hopefully. Come on, keep going. Save this picture. Short. 1,000 tick chart. Come on, Bubba. Ah, don't go up. Don't close back over the line. This is where you start second guessing yourself. You start thinking you're wrong. You start getting antsy, but you can't make the change. You can't change anything. You got to let it work itself out. And if it loses, that's okay. That's okay. Don't worry about the loss. Worry about taking good trades. Am I taking a good trade? I think I'm taking a pretty good trade. I think the trade's okay, and I'm okay with losing. Yeah, I'm okay with losing. It doesn't matter. I'm not going to get frustrated about it. Taking crappy trades and losing really pisses me off. This is not a crappy trade. Be patient. Be patient. Let it come down to one target. That's all I'm asking. Give me one target. Come on, Butter. Come on, buddy. Come on, you can do it. Come on, push down. Come on, you can do it. Come on down, hit my target. That's 50% right there, though. I'm gonna go break even on it at least, because it's hitting 50% of this move. Maybe I should just take what I got. It's hitting 50% of this move. I'm on break even now. I just hope it doesn't bounce back up. See, it's also hitting the 20 EMA over here. It did come down 50%. Probably should have. I got in as quick as I could. Maybe I didn't analyze how much room I had. From here to here. My target is still in the golden zone. It's at the lower end of the golden zone though. I'm on break even. Just stay right where you're at. And if you break even, you did it, you tried it. It was a good try. It's a good try. There it comes.
Stop fill.
Ah, break even, man. Hey, that's better than taking a loss on it, I guess. Because if this thing keeps going, there's no more short. And that was my last short attempt right there. So now it's trying to figure out going long. That's where I'm going to go is long, but I got to wait for this, my exponential chart, the higher time chart, to look bullish. I'm not going to take a bullish trade just on some lower time chart because it looks like it wants to go. I want multiple time charts agreeing in a direction. Up here on the 5-minute chart, we're starting to get a close and a bounce above the trend line. And we got price momentum above 3 of the moving averages. Where's the 20 at? That's why I got it this color so I can see it. Let me see what's going on up there. Yeah, it's above the 20 too. Okay, 5-minute chart. Price is above the 20 on the FIP 5000, this 15-minute chart. It's heading up to the 20. Okay, so yeah, we could, as long as I got a higher time chart to work with, I can look for setups on the lower time chart. I like that 5-minute chart right there. That 5-minute chart, I like it. However, you know, technically, they say if you don't know what to do, don't do anything. And that's good wisdom. I don't know what to do, so I have to wait until it tells me to do something because I want to look at the charts and go, that is pretty clear what I should be doing. That short off that trend line at the Fibonacci level, off of the moving averages, off of the trend line, told me what to do. Did I have enough room? Should I have taken my profit when it hit 50%? Yeah, maybe so. I probably should have just took my profit, but thank God I broke even because I would be really mad if I took a full loss on this. So I didn't take a full loss, broke even. That 5-minute chart is looking really interesting though. If we take the bottom of that wick after bouncing off, what it's doing is it's bouncing off the moving averages and a trend line right there. It's got to get over the top of this candle here. There's plenty of room to go up. If it closes strong right here. Technically it bounced off the 20, that's my momentum trade, but the 1000 tick chart, this is difficult. The transition from one direction to the other has always been difficult for people. When do you feel comfortable that it has made its mind up, that it's going to go in the other direction, even though everything's still trending down? Overall, the trend is still down. Okay, let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. What's my risk reward if I get in long? That's an $87. I want it to pull back. It just did. It closed above the trend line and it pulled back I bet you anything that's 50%. From here to here to here. From here to here, that little pintail right there. Now I feel like I'm chasing it. If I get in, I can't chase. If we get a pintail on the 1000 tick chart closing green, it'll be above 3 of the major moving averages, actually 4 or 5. Yeah, it will have tested the trend line, and we'll have a little foothold of support with a higher time chart of a direction change, even though it's going right up into the Fibonacci level. Five-minute chart looks good. The 5-minute chart looks good. Okay, so give me a pullback here to the momentum lines, something like this right here where it taps it and reverses. Give me something like that, taps it and reverses. Give me something like that, and I will try to go long on this thing. That is good. That's real good. Real good, real good. Okay. Can't chase it though. Can't chase it. Come down. Give us a pullback. Give us a pullback. Come back to the momentum lines. Hang it. Come on.
You stood beside the ones cast out. You took the cross the guilty earned. You turned our darkest shame to crown.
I'll try one more trade before I shut down. If I can get in.
You said all wrong things right.
There's a gap. Or this thing is moving.
Remember every secret brought to light. Every
I can't just jump in it blindly like that. I have to have some kind of a bounce off of at least these two fast moving averages.
till the earth reflects your glory.
The breakout. Ugh, that's more than $100. I don't like taking more than $100 per trade. It's too much. It's just gonna keep going, I guess. If I would have got in right over that, that's more than $100. Too much. Just a little too much for me. Okay. Well,
I've carried crowns I never earned.
once these moving averages all cross up over the top of that,
Thought I stood on something
we will have lots of a great deal of confirmation that the direction has changed,
on my plans. Every ladder that I climbed, they look small.
which will probably take it over this pivot level, which is where it really needs to be. And then we'll look for all-time highs. Continuing.
So lay my pride down at your throne. Every right I claimed before. Jesus, you are God alone. I don't wanna fight you anymore.
Yeah, that didn't work. Because technically, yeah, that expansion, that is a bullish looking chart. It's just in the big picture that's bullish. In the intermediate, that's bearish. So the intermediate is over now. It's continuing on with the overall bullish pattern. Okay. Don't try to short it anymore. If this closes over the top of that red candle, I'm going to give it a shot. My risk will only be underneath the red candle.
I have traded what is true
$40.
for the praise I thought I'd need, but you
I should get a 1-to-1 to those pivot levels up there for sure. I need to hit
Order filled.
buy at the ask. Let's see if I get a 1-to-1 on this bad boy. Come on, buddy. Give me a winner, man. Go up. Because that's the look. That's the look you're looking for. It looks like it would have pulled back to the momentum lines and continued. A red candle. You need a red candle. Now, if this doesn't work, I got to shut down because that's too many losses in a row, and I'm not going to just keep going, keep taking losses. That's the hard part. Is just I need a win to keep me trading. I need to take a win. I need a win here. Hit the target. You got room. Go sweep those pivots up there and hit my target. I could break even, but I would have stopped. It would have stopped me out. Come on now, go up there. Keep up with the momentum. Everything says rocket ship. Come on. Oh, don't come this way. It's okay. Got my mind made up. If I win, I'll stay. I'll keep trading. If I don't, I'll close it down, and that's okay. Learning when to stop trading is a sign of maturity, and it's been enough years for me to learn to just shut it down. I'm telling you, I've got to shut it down if this doesn't work. That's okay. I don't want to get greedy, but I need a win. I need to hit target. I need to hold it too. I need to hold it because there's room for it to go up to sweep those pivots up there. There's no reason for me to take it out too early. If it comes and gets me, it comes and gets me. That's fine. It's worth a try. Definitely worth a try. Some days, all the good setups, they just won't work. And that's why people go on tilt, and that's why they blow their accounts. And I've done that. I've done it, and I'm done doing it. No more blowing accounts.
You call my name, I run to you. My Father, every fear and every lie falls away when you arrive. You hold my heart, and in your arms I find
Come on, get up there.
Some days I feel smaller than my shame, measuring my worth by what I've made. But you saw my heart before my first breath. You wrote mine across my emptiness.
Patience.
Love a child,
Go on up there. Shoot.
you call my name
It's
out.
definitely hitting some resistance.
Father, every fear and every lie falls away when you arrive. You hold my heart, and in your arms I find who I am.
Okay, reverse right now. Hit those momentum lines and go back up. Go back up. All right, it's gonna, looks like it's gonna get me. Yeah, I'm done. That's okay. I can't keep trading. So, 3 losses and 1 break even if this hits. Oh. Yeah, the momentum is definitely dying down here. Could have went to break even and I would have been broke even again and I could stay trading. Maybe I should have done that.
Stop fill.
I'm out. Okay, I'm done. Don't go on tilt. Be responsible. Shut it down. Live to trade another day. I will be back tomorrow when the bell opens. Peace. Look at that. It's going right. That's okay.